All right, problem number 10 is asking us to use the given graph to calculate the average rate of change between these 2 points. Remember, rate of change is just another word for slope, which if you don't remember is rise over run. And you might even want to put down the formula y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Okay, so a quick couple things about that. It asks us specifically for the slope or the rate of change between those 2 points. So I'm going to find those on the graph. X equals 2 means I need to draw a line through the x-axis at 2. So if I go right here, here's my 2 on the x-axis, and here's the point on the parabola. So I need that dot. And then x equals 6, same thing. Find 6. Draw a line through it. Right here is where it hits my parabola. So I need to find the slope between these 2 points. Now, normally I would say you could just count and go over. I would highly recommend you use the points for this one because the units go up by 2s and then over by 1. So it's a little tricky. So this is 2, 16 in red. This is 6, 0. So I'm going to do the slope formula based on that. I'm going to rewrite them over here so I can assign them x and y things. So x1, y1, x2, y2. And then it's just a matter of plugging it in. So y1 is 16 minus y2, which is 0. x1 is 2 minus y2, which is 6. 16 minus 0 is 16. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. I can divide both of those by 4 to simplify it. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1, which I can also divide. 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. So both of those are true, and if I go over here, letter A is the slope between those 2 points. By the way, quick hint, because it's going down, it's decreasing, I should automatically eliminate the positive numbers. If it's decreasing, that means a negative slope.